you deal with Rasta, sir?
Oh, you want me to deal with you? Poor Keita.
Pork. You mentioned that in front of the Ras. Rasta no deal with them things there.
Me see up on my friend video. I eat our pork. You can imagine when I send that the video got Jamaica. I see the Baba Dread and yam pussy. You have to go trim.
Fireburn from Babylon. You was wicked for do that to Rasta. I did not eat that ranking meat. I was unconscious.